Welcome. My name is Mustafa. And this is Data Science Ways. I would like to talk to you about data science and its fields. I was starting to write about data science and its application. But my friends asked me to create videos in order to get better information. We will see after that if it is better to continue in this manner. I am also waiting for your feedback, if the sequence is easy or not. Before I talk about data science, I would like to tell you what I am trying to communicate or what is the purpose of this content. I would like to explain everything about the fields of data, the functions in the field, and the concepts, and we will talk about the relationship of each thing to the other in the field. For example, what is the relationship between statistics and data analysis? When and why should I use any tool? And we will talk about all the tools, such as Python, Excel, and big data analysis tools. And basic steps. What made me talk about this topic? I noticed that most of those who want to learn or work in one of the areas of data are lost and are not determined where to start. And what they have is that most of those who provide content in the fields of data present the topic on the basis of their practical background. How? For example, that you will find someone whose practical background is strong or has a strong background in using the Python language. So all his words are directed towards Python only, and that once you finish Python, you will be a data analyst or data scientist like that. Unfortunately, this is not entirely true. Because you must first understand a very important thing, which is that data fields are not only data analysis or data science. No, if you noticed that when I was speaking, I would have said data fields. What are these areas of data, not only data analysis and data science? No, data fields are divided into two texts, which they call data challenges. They are how we will manage the data and how we will analyze the data. Imagine yourself working in a hospital place, for example, and this hospital has data. They want to benefit from the data of those who come to make an examination with them in order to determine a treatment plan. This is called data analysis, because it analyzes the data available for each person who is exposed and sees what his condition is after a certain medication or a specific treatment plan, so he analyzed his data. Okay, the data that the data analyst analyzed, where did he get it from? It is stored in a hospital database, and its sole mission is to store the data that each doctor sends for each case he follows up. So, who is the one who secures this database, operates it, repairs it, and allows access to the data inside it? This is the IT or data engineer. This process is called data management. So, the first thing that would like to learn a new field is to be specific. He would like to learn data analysis and become a data analyst, or would he like to be a data engineer? Well, we will be interested in what at the present time, we will be interested in the field of data analysis in principle, and then we will talk about data engineering. The next video, God willing, we will talk about data analysis in detail, and you will learn how and what are the steps of data analysis, what is the importance of statistics, what are the specializations of data analysis, and what does big data mean.